You guys, it's Vlogmas Day 7. Is it? Is it December 7th?
Yes. Yes, it is.
I'm at Debbie's house.
I watched her Vlogmas from yesterday and I loved it.
I know. She said that it was funny. I was like, really? I was thinking of stopping.
No, it was hilarious. I loved it so much. And poor Harleen. Oh, dear.
She looks so bad.
Oh, my. She does look like a Biafran refugee.
She looks so bad.
Okay. But should we give a shout out that we got a...
Because Paula's been watching our things.
Okay, yeah. We got a Christmas card from Pam and Steph.
We did.
Gosh, that's so cute. And then
the best of all,
Paula gave us this darling, a card for us and a card for Kefren.
Paula.
Thank you.
We're dead on the floor. We don't deserve all of your love that you give us every video.
Oh my gosh.
And even on my vlogs, she watches them.
Oh, that's so sweet. That is so sweet.
Like, I love you.
It was like Merry Christmas all the way from you know,
Portugal. Portugal? Is that right?
So it was so sweet. It made me so happy today.
Yeah, it was amazing.
So thank you.
And let me show you the tree that Dave got. Hey guys, I just went to the grocery store. Do you want to have a grocery haul? I know it's going to be super exciting. We're propped up on my kitchen sink. First thing we got. It's one of my most favorite things. It's the only somewhat healthy thing that I like. Okay? Diet Cran Mango. I mean, it technically has 5 calories. I hate the taste of diet drinks, but this is phenomenal. Ocean spray, people. That's what I'm talking about. Everything else you're about to see is not healthy. Stevens Gourmet Hot Cocoa Milk Chocolate. I'm gonna have some hot cocoa. Cake cups for my freaking ice cream. I got some. It's peppermint ice cream and it's in my freezer and I'm excited. I didn't feel like I could really enjoy Thanksgiving because I hosted it. So I got me some stovetop stuffing because I might make me some stuffing on Sunday. Eggo waffles. I mean, come on, you guys. Do you think that I'm a 4-year-old or what? We got some butter for what we're about to make, which is banana bread. I'm not kidding you guys. It's the best banana bread I've ever had in my entire life. My parents love it. My dad loves it. We got some baking soda. We've got some sour cream. The key ingredient to the banana bread. Okay? The next 2 exciting things. Reese's Puffs. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Okay? Like, things are getting wild over here. Then, I got some English muffins. I also got some eggs for our banana bread. What else did I get, you ask? I got some metal tins because I don't know if ours are upstairs and we have Airbnb people here. So I didn't know if I could go downstairs or not. So I have some small ones and some regular sized tins. Bread things, what are these called? Mini loaf pans. Thank you. And then I didn't know if we'd have people over this weekend. I mean, by we, I mean me. So I got some Cadbury eggs, some hugs, and some kisses. That is the haul, the grocery haul of today. I know, you guys are all astonished how healthy I am. What can I say? It's shocking that I don't weigh 500 pounds. And you know what I'm making for dinner? Shall I show you? Kraft macaroni and cheese. I am like, I could save us so much money by only having ramen and macaroni and cheese every night. I think it's fantastic. I think it's God's gift to us, you know? So I'm gonna stir this around. Now, I'm gonna post the banana bread recipe maybe on Debbie's blog, but you can also just look it up really fast. Do you want me to tell you what it's called?
Hi. Good morning. How are you? Having a good Vlogmas day 7? You are so funny looking now. It's just a little pitiful, isn't it? Oh, but I still think you're beautiful. Go, hello. You got it. Oh, you got it. Eat it. Oh, yeah, eat that.
Wow. I don't love that the light is so far in that. What are our thoughts on this little tripod situation? Guys, I got in more comfy clothes. In fact, I should show you. I'm a little disappointed in myself because I don't have Christmas, like a Christmas top. I think I need a Christmas top. I think I need to order one. But I'm not wearing my current Christmas bottoms. I got the cutest ones from the Loft on Cyber Monday. But I am wearing my cute little green sweats. But they're like super tight sweats. And then I'm wearing my Christmas socks. They're my most favorite socks I own. They have little Santa Claus on them. In fact, when I was putting them on, I was like, wow, I'm surprised that these don't have holes in them. Because I've had them for at least 10 years, my guess is. But check that out. There's almost a hole. How disturbing is that? I'm disturbed. Our little girl is having so much fun. Okay, you guys, we have the butter, half cup butter, half cup white sugar, half cup brown sugar, and we are now going to mix them together and try hard not to eat everything that we're seeing right now. I've had these bananas sitting here for like a week now. You only really need 2, but I don't like bananas. I think they're disgusting. I don't like banana bread. I think it's disgusting. But this banana bread is mostly sugar and butter, so that's why I like it. I know, you guys, it's exciting times. Okay, you guys, the freaking recipe is called Janet's Rich Banana Bread. It's from All Recipes. Does it say it right there? Yep, allrecipes.com. Now, we make some modifications here. The first modification that we will make is we only do 1/2 cup white sugar and 1/2 cup brown sugar, people. Key switches here. I know, you're shocked. The next difference that we do is we put a sugar coating on top. But I feel like there's one other thing that we do, but I don't think there is. So, it's super easy. It's super exciting. Let's get started. 1 teaspoon vanilla down. I love the smell of vanilla. So this is it without the bananas and without the sour cream. I like to mush up my bananas beforehand, and I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of sour cream. You guys, I can't really say that I've ever eaten like a banana. I'm just saying. But I do find it satisfying to peel a banana. So I just finished my mac and cheese, and you guys are gonna be so grossed out. I overcook my noodles and it just looks like a soup. So prepare yourselves for what you're about to see. Boom. The most glorious mac and cheese, and someone waiting so patiently. You look like an old woman, Harloa. Are you an old woman? Are you excited for your mac and cheese? Do you love it? Oh yeah, you're excited, you are. Okay. Pepper is key. And I've got my cute glass. Oh, what fun. With my delicious, you guys, we didn't win the jackpot. It's really sad. With my delicious diet drink. And I also add salt. Because you know there's not enough.
Hey, hello.
Guys, Harley likes it.
He loves it. He loves the mac and cheese.
So you guys, I put the loaf in the oven. Oh, it's rising up. Okay, how great is this? I'm literally watching a Christmas movie and I'm baking stuff. Is this a dream come true? I got this at the Target dollar spot. Anyway, my mom introduced this to me. It's from Williams-Sonoma. You can also get it on Amazon. I think it's cheaper there. It is the most amazing spray, non-stick spray stuff. Like, it is, I don't even know what to tell you other than it's life-changing and worth every freaking single penny. It literally sprays. It has the most even spray, and it sprays like liquid butter. It's so beautiful. So, if you're ever in by Williams-Sonoma or online, Bake Clean with a K. At least that's what we call it. It's probably called like Bach Clean. Anyway, it's so amazing, so good, so worth every penny. So I filled up one. I think I probably put too much in it. And then I think I'm going to do 2 tiny loaves. Okay, you guys, it's in a little tiny tin now. And here is the key situation. We've got a mixture of brown sugar and real sugar. And we sprinkle it onto this. And it'll look just like that. Make sure you get every little crevice of goodness. And then we stick it in the oven for, honestly, the directions say that it should go in for 50 minutes for a big tin. These ones might only go in for like 30 minutes maybe. You just really have to check it and like stick a knife in. I like it to be like a little gooey. It'll turn out amazing. You guys, I just watched this and I would recommend it to anyone. Fantastic movie. Alright, you guys, this is the piping hot, finished, delicious banana bread. I mean, come on. It doesn't get much better than this. So, my favorite thing to do is cut a little piece and put some cream cheese on it. And it is delightful. There it is. It is so freaking good. I'll show you the inside. I mean, it is just pure deliciousness. We've got to like take a bite on camera, right? I'm nervous. The first bite of Christmas. There are so many words. Everything is amazing. Go make it at home. Even Harlua likes it. Huh, baby? Even Harlua likes it. I think that does it for Vlogmas today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!